HBQ-910-S TMF FAKRA automatic production line, applicable to processing TE TMF FAKRA products. Manual loading, straightening wire ends, spiral stripping of outer sheaths, crimping and sealing pressure ring, pulling off black sheaths, ring pressing of braided net, straightening with a brush, stripping of aluminum foil and white sheaths, zero coating of copper wires, crimping center pin, straightening with a brush, appearance inspection of stripped ends, detection of center pin, assembly of outer conductor, crimping of outer conductor, GT inspection, appearance inspection, concentricity inspection,